Baba Harare's album has finally dropped. So here are like my personal top tracks from the album. And when I was compiling this list, guys, you know, Ndashaya Guti pa number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because they are all good. But of course, I managed to pick the best tracks from his album, you know, Repentant. So Baba Harare has finally dropped Repentant. It's now available on Spotify. So I provided the Spotify link in my description. So if you want to listen to the full album, just go into my description or click a link on the album full. So without wasting your time, I know I'm going to play album to and let's get into it. On number 8 we have Ndoteura track, and this is how it sounds. Rules are rules. You know, we can't play the full song because of copyright. We advise you to visit Baba Harare's Spotify for the full song. Number 7 is Patinofamba, and this is how it's sounding. Patinofamba mchungondudza tifambirana mchungondudza kuti hai kunakidza hai kunakidza hai kubowa, you know, tichiita tichienda takadaro. So moving on to number 6, Fambai. Baba Harare boya ne GT piano ku gospel. So he's introducing this as well ku gospel, I guess. Into muntu hai. Yeah, my end was say, and we move on to number 5, Jeso Idombo. Kana mgona Baba Harare ndivunzire kuti vanoenda kusondo kupi tuyo kusondo takati o. He Loves You is on number 4.
I love you, but he loves you. Jesus loves you more.
On number 3 we have Makanaka. Number 2 ndoya inonziyo Hossana yatanzwayo na Cymplex. This is like my favorite song, my favorite track on the whole entire album. It's like the number 1 track on the entire album. Asikuti razenda pa number 2 because arisatra ne video manzwisisa ne video ndoya rakanzi Sukai. So after watching the video re Sukai yave deserve kuenda pa number 1, but Hossana ikazobudisa video, I'm telling you it will definitely sit on number 1 again. And before I go this kind of music amandwai, would you play it uchida kunamata, you know, like those worshiping moments, and then you just want to pray worry that this kind of music, or music yakuti unoridza uri mota uchienda kubinga uchienda kuboera, you know, going to the, you know, traveling those long distance you know, journeys or what, I don't know. Tell me in the comments. Out of 10, how would you rate Baba Harare's Repentance album? 5 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 7 out of 10. In Angu, personally, I am giving it 8.5.
I want to change this way. Join the family. Send music 263. Click subscribe. Don't be late.